We gotta use these taters before they go bad, so let's make some loaded potato soup. First, I'm gonna start with peeling some of these yellow potatoes. How many do we need? I don't know. I'm just gonna peel until my heart's content. We're gonna cut up an onion, and then we're gonna move to the stovetop and get the party started. I probably don't even need to peel these since they're yellow potatoes, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just to make my life just a little bit harder. Anybody else have to have a prepping dinner snack? Or is it just me? Pickles. They be hitting every time. Every time. All right. Now that I did a pretty mediocre job peeling these, we're going to chop them. Rough chop into the bowl. Potatoes, chopped. How many? I don't know. This many. Proceed ahead. Bacon. Let's cut it up. How much? I don't know. Maybe half the package. I don't know. Let's see. We're going to go with 8 slices. How's that sound? Good to you? That sounds good to me. 8 slices. Bacon going in. Husband in the back. While my bacon is rendering down, I'm going to cut up 1 yellow onion. All right, bacon is cooked, so let's go ahead and take it out of the pot so it can drain. I'm gonna keep the grease in the pot, and then I'm gonna brown up my onion and get that sauteing up. And for good health, we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of butter. Throw that in with the bacon grease. You didn't come here to lose weight. I'll just tell you that. Give that a stir. And let it saute down. All right, I like the color on this. Now I'm gonna add a large spoonful of garlic into the pot. Now I've got about 1/3 cup of flour. We're gonna sprinkle this in. This is gonna be our thickening agent to help our soup thicken up. Let's add some chicken broth. I'm gonna add this whole thing. Then we're gonna add some milk. We're gonna add some cream. We're gonna add our taters. And we're gonna let this baby cook to get those taters on the tender side. Okay, I'm gonna go like 2 cups of milk. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff in a pot, seeing what happens. Then I'm gonna add a healthy dose of heavy cream. Tater time. Got it. Let's see how much of a mess I can make. All right. Let's let this baby cook. So my soup has been simmering / boiling for about, I don't know, 20 minutes. We're just looking for potatoes to get soft at this point. So now I'm gonna season, and then I've got my immersion blender that I'm gonna put in here, and I'm gonna kind of puree up about half of the potatoes, leave some chunks, and puree the other half. So I'm gonna do a healthy dose of salt and a healthy dose of pepper. And then we're gonna puree this and see what happens. Be very careful, this dude's hot. We'll take it in little chunks. I've got my soup to the consistency I want. There's still some decent sized potato chunks in there, but we pureed this about halfway. With my potato soup, I do still like a little bit of chunkiness going on. We don't discriminate on size up in here. Okay. Now, we're gonna add some sour cream. Nice little dollop, I don't know, maybe 1/4 cup. I don't know. If you can't tell, we're just kind of flying off the handle tonight. We're going rogue. And then a nice little handful of sharp cheddar, because cheddar makes it better. I'm gonna stir this around and give it one final taste. I'm gonna burn my mouth. Needs Cajun seasoning. Cajun. We don't play around up in here. If you ain't sneezing, you can finish it. I've decided to add some more garlic powder. And as always, guys, season your food how you want. How do you like your food seasoned? It's up to you. This is where you get to put your spin on things. All right, I like my seasoning. The last piece de resistance. And I cooked up a lot more bacon. So this is not the original 8 pieces, but I need some for some breakfast burritos that I'm making my husband. So, a healthy dose. Mixy mix. Your bacon's gonna add a little bit more salt too, so be sure to not over salt before you put that bacon in. And then we're gonna give it one last try. All right, let's plate this baby up. Little scoopy scoop. Nice fat little scoopies. Okay. What's loaded potato soup without a little cheese, please? A little extra cheese. Throw some cheese on it. We need a little bit more bacon. A little more bacon. Who we kidding? Bacon. Bacon makes everything better. And a little greenery. And just because I'm extra, I like a little extra sprinkle of pepper. Yo. Like, okay, but let's try it. I'm pumped about this. Who doesn't love potato soup? Woo. That's money. Share this video with the people you love. They're gonna love you because you shared this with them. Anyways, I'm going to finish this up. Have a great evening. Bye.